In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import CSV into Attio. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring your data in cleanly and confidently. First, log into your Attio account. Make sure you have the right workspace selected and the permission to import data. If you're not sure, a quick check with your workspace admin can save time later. From the sidebar, open the collection you want to populate. I'll use people for this walkthrough, but the same flow applies to companies, deals, workspaces, and users. Choosing the right collection up front ensures your fields and views match what you're importing. Inside the collection, look for the Import CSV option and click it. This opens the importer where you'll select your file. Choose the CSV you'd like to bring in. A quick prep tip: include a clear header row in your file, keep columns consistent, and if possible, include a unique identifier like an email address for people or a domain for companies. This makes mapping easier and helps reduce duplicates. Click Next to move into mapping. Here, you'll configure your attributes. This step matches each column in your CSV to the correct property in Attio. Things like name, email, job title, or any custom attributes you use. Make sure the field types align. Emails go to email fields, dates to date fields, numbers to number fields, and so on. If your CSV has a column that doesn't yet exist in Attio, you can map it to a new custom property so nothing gets lost. Take a moment to review capitalization and formats. Clean data in means clean data out. When your mappings look right, click Continue. You'll see an acknowledgement about duplicates. Check the box to confirm you understand the import may create duplicates if the same records already exist. If you want to minimize that risk, ensure your CSV includes a unique column and avoid slight variations in names or emails. Click Continue Import to proceed. You may get a brief review screen to confirm values and formats one more time. Use this to spot any obvious mismatches. Then click Continue. Finally, click Start Import. Attio will begin processing your file. Depending on the size, this may take a moment. Once it's done, give a quick spot check to a few records in the collection to confirm everything landed where it should and that your key fields are populated correctly. That's it. You've successfully imported a CSV into Attio. If this helped, subscribe for more.